Hey guys, Rachel here with WTI. This is the perfect water bottle.
I bought many water bottles in the past, but I find that I use this one the most. I'm so glad I found it. It's the perfect size, and I just love the design.
I love the size, the shape, everything. It's perfect. This is by Takeya. This is just a water bottle that you're gonna find yourself using every single day because it's so functional. The design is great and it's easy to use.
It has a handle which you can hide, so if you don't want to use it, you don't have to. I find it super handy though. There's also a button. I find this really nice. Instead of having to use two hands to open a water bottle, if I'm doing something else, I can quickly open it and get a drink. It also locks, so it's not going to spill everywhere if it does happen to open. The lock function just gives me extra peace of mind. I can throw it in my bag and not worry. This water bottle is such good quality. It's really durable. I've seen it everywhere. It still looks brand new. I've had it for a few years.
So if you're looking for the perfect water bottle, you've got to try this one out from Takeya. I love it, and that's my point of view.